Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play story mode in World War Heroes. To begin your journey, simply navigate to the main menu and select the campaign or story mode option. You will then be presented with a series of missions, each designed to immerse you in the game's rich historical setting. Remember to choose your character and customize your weapon loadout carefully before diving into the action. Once you start a mission, your primary goal is to fulfill the stated objectives. These can vary widely, from eliminating a certain number of enemy soldiers to securing strategic points on the map. Pay close attention to the on-screen prompts and your minimap to track your progress. Achieving these goals is crucial for moving forward in the compelling narrative. As you successfully complete missions, you will earn experience points and in-game currency. These rewards are vital for your progression. Use your hard-earned currency to upgrade your favorite weapons, making them more powerful and accurate. You can also unlock new, advanced equipment and improve your character's overall skills, ensuring you are well prepared for tougher challenges ahead. To maximize your success in story mode, always prioritize using cover to shield yourself from enemy attacks. Strategic weapon selection is also key. A sniper rifle might be perfect for long-range engagements, while a shotgun excels in close quarters. Consistent practice will sharpen your aiming skills and improve your tactical movement, helping you overcome even the most challenging scenarios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.